These animal haircut videos are going absolutely viral right now. This TikTok page has gained almost 300,000 followers and is pulling in hundreds of thousands to millions of views per video in this niche. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make them yourself. Here's what I made in less than 5 minutes. So to get started, head over to ChatGPT and click Explore GPTs in the left sidebar. Search for Animal Haircut Generator and choose mine. Hit Start Chat, then click to start the generator. It's going to ask you to choose an animal and a haircut style. I'm going to go with a lion and curtains for the hairstyle. And just wait for it to load. The GPT will now give you 2 image prompts and a video prompt to create these videos. Just copy the first image prompt and head over to OpenArt. The link's in the description. In OpenArt, head over to Image, then Create Image. Then click on Model and select Nano Banana 2. Paste your prompt in the prompt box. Set the output to 9:16 and 2K. Choose how many images you want and hit Generate. Here's how mine came out. The main detail, the lighting, the texture, it looks great. So just pick your favorite image and click Reference on the right side. Now go back to the GPT and copy the second image prompt. Paste it in the prompt box. Make sure your settings are the same. Drop down to 1 image and hit Generate again. And here's my second image, the curtains on a lion. Honestly, that's exactly the kind of clip that stops someone mid-scroll. So now let's turn them into video. Click Image to Video on the right side. Scroll up, click on Model, and choose Seedance 2.0 for the video model. Drag your first image as the start frame and your second image as the end frame. Now go back to the GPT again and copy the video prompt. Paste it in OpenArt. Make sure the audio toggle is turned on. Click on Mode and select Normal. Set the output to 9:16, 720p, 15 seconds, and hit Generate. And it's that simple. Here are some other videos I made using this method. So that's the full workflow. All the links you need are in the description. If you want to see what other viral AI niches I've found, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out. See you in the next one.